In this video, I will guide you on how to schedule trial reels on Instagram. First, launch open the Instagram app on your device. Now tap on the plus icon at the top left corner. From here, select Reel. Now select a video from your gallery or you can record one. Then go ahead and complete the usual process. You can edit your reels here, then tap on Next. Now, on this page, you want to scroll down and tap the trial button. This sends your reels to a non-follower audience. Now, you have to schedule the reel. For that, tap on More Options, then select Schedule this reel. Now choose date and time, then head back. Now you want to confirm both trial toggle is on and schedule option is set. Then you simply want to tap on the share option. In this way, you can easily schedule trial reels on Instagram. Found this video useful? Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.